9 Symptoms you should never ignore. Everybody gets pains from time to time, but don't always know why. Which body organs cause pain? It shouldn't be construed as a comprehensive guide, but as a general introduction. 1. Heart. If your heart isn't working well, you may feel pressing pain in your chest or you may experience headaches and fatigue. 2. Kidney. It may be difficult to differentiate kidney pain from back pain. Muscle pain is usually lower than kidney pain, which usually occurs under the ribs. 3. Small intestine. The navel is commonly afflicted by small intestine problems. Make an appointment with your doctor if the pain persists and affects your ability to bend or walk. 4. Large intestine. The right side of the abdomen is normally affected by issues with a large intestine. 5. Lungs. In the lungs, there are no nerve endings, thus there are no feelings of pain. The ache in your chest may be due to something wrong with them. Are you enjoying the video? Share the video with your friends and give it a like to help the channel. 6. Appendix. Appendix pain occurs in the right lower abdomen region, although it may also occur in separate areas of the stomach. Your right thigh may also be affected by the pain. Appendix problems can also cause nausea, vomiting, fever, diarrhea, or constipation. 7. Stomach. Gastric problems are characterized by pain over the ribcage in the middle abdominal region as well as back pain on the same level. 8. Gallbladder and liver. This area of the abdomen may hurt from gallbladder problems and liver problems. As well as traveling to the back, it can also travel to the front. 9. Pancreas. Middle part of the upper abdominal region is often painful in the event of pancreatic problems. It is possible for a less intense pain to travel into your entire stomach. Make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.